guys. Hey guys, let me just say hey and not look at the camera. I filmed a vintage, I can't decide if I want it to be like a vintage, like a French girl type of look. Yesterday I was looking at pictures of like Paris and France and like vintage photos, like aesthetic photos on Pinterest, and I was so inspired to do this. Obviously when this is up I have made a decision, but I'm gonna say it's like a French girl vintage pink girly makeup look. Definitely something different from anything I've done yet, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's so classic, and I'm sorry, my chair won't stop squeaking and it's driving me crazy. Let me not move at all. Okay. The look is timeless, can be worn every day. It's so simple to do and beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it or try it out and enjoy the video. Mwah. So I'm starting off with my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm taking this light brown color on my fluffy crease brush, and we're going to be putting that in the crease. Then I'm taking my Naked 3 palette in the shade Limit on the same brush we used before, and we're just going to be blending that into the brown shade we just put on our crease. I'm grabbing my Naked 3 palette again and taking the shade No Winner on a flat shader brush. This one's from e.l.f. by the way. And we're going to be putting that on the outer and inner parts of our eyelid only. This gives really good dimension. I'm grabbing my Morphe 35O palette again, and I'm taking the Champagne Shimmery color on a flat eyelid brush. This one's from Tarte, and we're putting that on the center of our lids. Then I'm taking my Pure Midnight Masquerade palette in the shade Reveal, which is like a matte cranberry color, and we're going to be using this as our winged eyeliner instead of black, just to make it more girly. Then I'm putting some false eyelashes on as usual. Next, with the same brush we used before for the winged eyeliner, I'm putting on a black gel eyeliner just for the lower lash line. Then I'm blending the black with the same cranberry shade we used before on the lower lash line. White eyeliner, as usual, on my waterline. Curling my fake lashes with my real ones. Then I'm taking my black Superhero mascara, which is my favorite by the way, on my eyelashes. Next, I'm contouring with my Naked Skin palette with the lighter shade on a contour brush. I'm contouring my cheekbones and my forehead. Then I'm taking the bronzer color on a fluffy brush and putting it right over the contour. For blush, I'm taking my Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm taking the hot pink shade on a stippling brush from Tarte and putting that on my cheeks. For the lips, I'm using a hot pink Revlon lip stain in Lovesick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. You can wear this to any event. You can dress it up, you can wear it casually. To just show you guys this really cool vintage mirror that I have. This is actually my great-grandma's, so I felt like it was perfect to put in the video. As you can see, it's so old. Like, it's a little bit creepy, but that's why I like it. And my vintage teacup. I just wanted to show you these two little props that I brought because I got very vintage today. There's no coffee in here. Leave any requests that you have below, and if you liked it, please subscribe and like this video. Sorry, somebody just texted me. What you want?